G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. Oh, this is an exciting van. It's an 18-foot single axle with bush pack. It's the Atlantic Endeavour, and it's got so many exciting features. If you have a look over here, 6-inch chassis, Australian steel. When you come up here, you've then got the toolbox already built in, and you've got twin jerry can holders, you've got the stone guards already done, you've got the Alco off-road suspension, that's already in. Gas bayonet out here, massive tunnel boot. This is a great feature because it does go all the way through and you can get access from the other side as well. It is fabulous. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? It is nice. It's light, bright, ready to excite. Have a look at the bedroom. Now, underneath the bed, that's a queen mattress in a spring. When you lift that up, tons of storage, just immense storage area. But then you've got wardrobes on either side. You've got storage above. In these wardrobes, this is so clever because you've got a little pod through here. So when you finish reading your book at the night time, put it through there. That's out of the way. It's not on the floor, it's just out of the way. Then you've got two 40-volt outlets. You've got two 12-volt outlets. You've got hanging space. You've got your drawer here. You've got more space there. And then as you come around, you've got your dining area. Oh, and this is so nice and comfy and spacious. Butte window setting, two 40-volt plugs here, 12-volt plugs there, LED lighting, lots of storage. And here you might say, gee, that's a clever little table. It gets even cleverer because you lift it up and now you've got a full dining table. Isn't that good? And when you don't need it, just fold it away. And underneath here is more storage again, more cabinetry. It's clever. Now, let me show you the kitchen because the kitchen is exciting. You've got the big fridge. Of course you've got great lighting, then you've got your microwave oven, you've got your exhaust fan, you've got cabinetry here. This is your BM35 Pro. Oh, so good. Let's see the bathroom. Oh, this is just terrific. So you've got a Butte toilet here, then you've got a window, you've got skylight, exhaust fan, Butte cabinetry across here, huge mirror, then there's storage down this side, you've got cabinetry here again, and then over here, the surprise packet, your own washing machine. All done. No more standing in line at the laundry, no more trying to find coins. It's all done for you. And then the shower. Oh, lovely. And there's so many other features. You've got deep cycle battery. Of course, you've got air conditioning. You've got solar panel already up on the roof. You want one of these? I know you do. So all you've got to do is give Parravans a call, send them an email. They're ready to help you, and you can explore Australia.